Hey, I thought I'd do another video about a pretty cool math app that I recently discovered. And of course, the students at my school have already discovered it, and they're one step ahead. But I thought I'd make a video about it anyway for those people that aren't up on it. It's called photomath. And you see, I have it here on my phone, and there's a rectangle there. And all I do is take that rectangle and place it over the problem. And I don't know if you noticed it, but the solution came up right here. All right. And the coolest thing about it is if I tap onto the solution, it will show you the steps in order to solve the problem. And of course, as we know, that is the most important part, understanding and learning how to solve the problem, not just finding the right answer, don't we, kids? And here, this is an example of multiplying radical equations, and you do it right off of the worksheet. You can't do it off of handwritten problems, I don't think. You have to use a worksheet that's typed. So let's try another one. Let's see if it'll focus. And then that pops up again. And here again we have, I guess it was a little too complicated. Let's try a different one real quick. Okay, and there's a pretty simple one, and here's the solution. So there's multiplying radical equations. It'll multiply polynomials. Let's see. Let's go back, and let's try this one. I hope you can see it. There you go. There's the solution, and there are all the steps to solve the problem. It will even solve systems of equations. So if I pick one, let's see. If I pick a system of equation, let's put it here. Wait for it to click. Come on. Having trouble with this one. There it is. Alright, so y equals 3, x equals 4, and again, here are all the steps. Alright, so it runs through all the step-by-steps. Alright, so I thought it was pretty cool. It's limited to Algebra 1 problems, of course. The more difficult, complex problems of Algebra 2 or pre-calc or calculus or geometry probably won't be of much use. But if you're in middle school and you're having trouble with Algebra 1, and maybe 6th, 7th, 8th grade math, pretty cool application. Simply because it does show you how to solve the problem. Okay, it's not something to cheat and just write down answers. Your math teacher probably wants you to show the steps anyway. So if you don't have a tutor, and I know tutors are expensive, I know my fee is rather expensive, this might be an alternative that you might be able to use. But look at the solutions and learn how to solve the problem. All right, thanks.